Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this video just I will discuss about US AdSense tax. So guys, if you have a AdSense account, so you have noticed a update, that is you have to provide your tax. So first of all guys, here I will open a Google AdSense account. So Google AdSense. So here guys, after opening this one, so here you will find a update, so that is you have to provide tax. And guys, if that is if you don't update your tax information, so here you will the tax will be cut 24%, and if you provide tax information, so it will be cut for 15% from your overall earning. Okay, so guys, here you can see my AdSense is open, and now here is the message, that is guys, if you have AdSense account, so you will get this type of message. And here you can see the manage tax info, so here you can find from here. Otherwise, if the message is not showing here, so you can after opening AdSense account, you can get the payment tab, and if you have to click this payment tab option. So it's opening, and here is the payment tax, and here just scroll down, and otherwise you will get here the manage tax info. So from here you can go the same platform. Here you can see the add tax info, so from here you can go. Otherwise, the another thing, that is I will also show that. So I will go to back, and in the payment tab here, and here just you have to be scroll down, and here is the settings, so you have to click manage settings, and here you can see the Indian tax info. So after opening that, you will find a section, that is payments account and the payments profile. So here after scrolling down in the payment profile heading, under the heading, here you will find the United tax info. So you can click this edit icon and the manage tax info. So from here you can go the same platform also. So now I will go from here. Otherwise, you can go the other both two things that I had shown, so you can go from there also. So now here I will click this add tax info. Okay, so after clicking this, here for the confirmation, that is that AdSense account your or not, so here it will be asked the password again, so you have to provide the password again. So again it will be it will take to you the tax information here. So now guys, after doing that, here you will find this type of option. So here is the individual and non-individual entity. So individual means guys, if your YouTube channel is you have opened your YouTube channel only one person by one person, I mean if you are working in your channel only you, so that time you can select individual. But if you are using YouTube channel business as business purpose, I mean you have a partner for your YouTube channel, so that time you can select non-individual entity. That means guys, sometime you have seen that some prank channel and the another things that and the comedy channel, they are sometimes they are they work on as a partner, so that time you can select non-individual entity. Otherwise you just select individual. Okay, so and now next, and after clicking this, so here it's asking, are you citizen or resident of the United States or not? So here if you from United States, I mean US, so you can select you can choose the option yes, otherwise you have to be click no. Okay, and then next, and after that here, so guys, here you can see the two options is that is this is from most commonly used non-US individual. So guys, here I already said I'm not a US person, so here no. So now it's showing two options. Okay, if I click yes, so it's only selected from US. Okay, so I'm not US, so here it's two options, that is you are non from the other country of US, that is your account is individual or business. So here I already told my account is individual, so here again you have to choose this one because my account is individual. So here it's mentioned that a non-US individual, I mean I'm not from US, and also I'm working on individual on this YouTube channel, so I will select this one, and now I will click this button. Okay, So guys, now here it's asking again DBA. DBA means guys doing business as, name disregarded entity. Okay, so here this channel I already told it's not a business purpose, just individually use this channel. Okay, or you can say it AdSense account. So here you can leave this one. And guys, here is the country of citizenship. So I'm from India, so here I will choose India. If you are from another country, so you can select this one. Okay, and now foreign TIN. So foreign TIN means guys you have to provide a PAN number, or which number US provide for verification of you are tax person or not. So you have to provide this one. So PAN number, US verify PAN number for to check you are tax person or not. So guys, here in the input, below the input field, you can see the message also optional unless you are claiming a tax territory. Okay, so guys, here just I have to provide a PAN number. So here I will provide the PAN number. Okay, so I provide PAN number here, and now guys I will click next button. And after clicking next button, so here you have to click this checked option, that is permanent resident address is a PO box or in care of address. Okay, so this is if you, this address which you will go to fill up here, so this is your permanent address. So here you can check this option. Okay, and now here I will write my address. And guys, here you have to fill the full address up to pin code. Okay, and now here you have to provide your city name. So I will write the city name, and now the pin code. So pin code I will provide here, and now state. So state I will choose from here, and now here postal address is same as permanent resident address. Okay, so if your postal address is same, which address you have provided here, so that you will check this option. Maximum time it's the same. Okay, so you can check this option, and now the next option. And now guys, here which you have filled up here, so you can see this address also. And now guys, here it's showing the two options, that is are you claiming reduced rate withholding under tax territory. So here you can see US tax low 30%, so you can select this yes option. And here resident of country claiming territory with the US, so you have to be check this option. And now the country is you have to be select India. And now here which service you are using, so I'm using service AdSense, so I will click this one. And now article and paragraph you have to be select default, this one. And now withholding rate reduce 0%. Okay, and now here you have to be check this option. And motion picture and TV YouTube Google Play. So here I mean if your YouTube is viewing by any TV or anything, so that time you have to be select this option. So always you select this option, so and choose the default article paragraph, and we withholding rate here 15% you have to be select, and choose this option. And guys, here other copyright YouTube Google Play, I mean if you are if you upload any copyright video, and I mean sometime if you have seen that any comedy video they upload some copyright videos, I mean for the for 30 second or 1 second, sometime they upload some copyright videos or anything, any roast video they upload copyright some copyright videos also, and after that they roast on there. So that time you can choose this option. So here I will not choose this option because I don't upload any copyright video. Okay, and now I will click this next option. And now guys, it's done, and I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents of the best of my knowledge. So here it's showing. So guys, just here you check all the details is correct or not. So after, if you think it's a correct, so you just confirm this one. Otherwise you can click this back button and you can edit your address or any every details, and then you can come here. Okay, so here I checked already, so it's a done, everything is complete, and you can say it correct. So now I click this check option, and now I will click next option. And after clicking this one, full legal name, so you have to be write your name, not your channel name. Okay, so here I will write my name, and just here you have to be write your full name. So I have written my name here. And are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes, I am the person listed in the signature section, and I am completing this from my own behalf. And no, I am signing on behalf of the person listed the signature, such as agent, attorney, guardian, parent. So here I will click this one. Here it's saying no, I'm signing on behalf of the person. Here if your AdSense by your mom's name, because they are the age criteria of AdSense. You can't open, I think if your age is under 18, so that time you can't open AdSense. There are some criteria, I can't say the exact age. So that time you have to be choose this option here. Otherwise, if you are eligible for AdSense, and you are already open your AdSense account by your name, so you can choose this option. Okay, and now click next. And now here you can say articles and service performed in the US has the individual entity identified tax entity section performed any activity. So guys, here just you have to click no, because I'm not from US. Okay, so if you are from US, so just here you can click yes. But if you are not from US, so just click no. And here just check this, simply check this option, and the option is saying that I certify that the service provided to Google or its affiliate. Here is clear that this service provide to Google. Okay, which I'm here submitting the documents that I'm providing to Google. Okay, so just here is simply, so you have to click this check option. And here after that you will find two options, that is I'm providing tax info for a new existing payment. Guys, here if your AdSense account new, if you haven't received any payment, so that time just you click the first option, this one. And if your AdSense existing means guys, if you already receive payment. Okay, if you have AdSense may be old, but if you didn't receive payment, so that time you choose the first option. But if you receive already payment, so that time you have to be choose this option. Okay, and now here you have to be check this option, and now the submit button. And now just it will take some time. Okay, so you can see it's done. And if I click this option, so it will be open again. Okay, submit another tax information, but here it's done. So hope guys, and this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more this type of videos, so please subscribe and press the notification.